Email verification, which is a process to verify whether an email is valid or not, is important in email marketing. It can help to reduce the email bounce rate. With a clean email list, you will be reaching the real users, thus reducing the email bounce rate. You can avoid being blacklisted by cleaning your email list. If you keep sending emails to invalid accounts, it will affect your sender reputation. It is time-consuming to verify your email addresses one by one manually. Therefore, Mailbox Validator Email Validator provides you with a bulk email verification service. You just need to upload your email list and wait for the email validation results. Next, I will show you how to verify your email list by using Mailbox Validator Email Validator. Go to your Mailbox Validator dashboard page. You may sign up for a free email verification plan at mailboxvalidator.com if you do not have one. Go to Bulk Plan. You may click or drop your file here to upload. Please take note that your file must be in either a text or CSV format. Select your email list. Click on Upload and Process. This is the file uploaded just now. You may check the progress here. Once the email verification is completed, you may click this icon to view the email verification result. This is your email verification result. Thanks for watching.